Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode without activating Windows on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your computer and wait until your Windows system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted and ready before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all the settings will apply correctly. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, navigate to any blank space on your screen. Right-click on this empty area to bring up a context menu with several options. From this context menu, you'll need to click on Personalize. This will open a personalization window where you can customize various aspects of your Windows appearance, including themes, background images, and color schemes. In the personalization window that appears, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there. Click on the colors option to access the color settings for your system. This is where all the magic happens for enabling dark mode without needing to activate Windows. Now, in the colors section, you'll notice two important settings displayed on your screen. The first one is your default Windows mode, and the second one is your default app mode. These two settings control how your entire system and individual applications display their color schemes. To enable dark mode, simply click on the dark radio button for each of these options. As soon as you select dark mode for both the Windows mode and app mode, you'll see the effect applied immediately across your system. Your taskbar, File Explorer, and other Windows elements will switch to a dark theme right away. You'll notice the change happens instantly without any delay. Once you're satisfied with how your dark mode looks, simply close the personalization window. Your changes will be saved automatically and you don't need to do anything else. Your Windows system will now display in dark mode, and this works perfectly even if you haven't activated Windows yet. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Windows system without requiring activation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.